Hello everyone and welcome to 7 weirdest places to find Slender. And I have number 7 on a little tiny piece of wood. He's killed somebody. So this is number 7, guys, and oh god, we guys enjoyed it. Did see it. He's just, sitting there. Can I hit him? Maybe if I can. Oh, I did hit him. So, moving on to the next one. On explosive blocks. And, for some reason they're not exploding. And that's the number 6, but it's supposed to explode. And oh, whoa, 10. Oh, that's why I could go over. And moving on to the next one. Whoa, it is great for Slender. And when you move on, Slender. And I need to get out of here. And moving on to the next. After that, we have the Trail of Blood. We keep going, Slender sitting on the line. And moving on to the next, Tower of Obsidian. And he just sits there on the Tower of Obsidian trying to scare you. And they can go down this hole. That would be funny. Get him down. Get out, Slender. Here, Slender. You're out. And moving on to the next, we have the old abandoned shed, which used to be you, and today it's walk around and you're like, ooh, a shed. Midget Slender. Look at this. It's a midget Slender Man. He doesn't have his bow tie this time. Midget Slender. So moving on to the final one. Doctor facility. No, when they have a room and they're looking at people. Look, Slender's room, and he killed the doctor, the scientist of madness. And leave in the comments which one do you think I should do next. Then I'm running down the place because I feel like it. And leave in the comments which one you decide I should do. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys should watch Slender Man flooding the town if you liked it. Remember to guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.